One of the basics of breakdancing is called Toprock. So this is when you're dancing upright on two legs. So it's closer to more traditional dancing, but maybe more energetic. So there's a lot of different variations of Toprock, and this will just be a basic template. So I'll just show the leg movements first. I'll leave my hands on my hips for now. So starting off, the feet are going to be open, apart. I'll step my left foot across to the corner, and then step back to the beginning. Right foot's going to step across to the corner and return to the beginning. So it goes on counts of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And as you're stepping out, you're leaning into the move. So you're not just tapping the foot out, you're stepping into it. And also, as you do this, you want to stay on the balls of the feet as much as possible. So keeping the heels lifted, as you want to be ready to bounce into the next movement. In breakdancing, you don't want to be caught flat-footed very often. It's usually the case you want to stay on the balls of the feet. So here, going corner to corner, 1, 2, 3, 4. And as you pick up speed, you could lift the back foot and you'll hop a little bit in and out. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll give a side view of that. So just at regular speed, no bouncing. So leaning into the move, lunging forwards, staying on the balls of the feet. As you pick up speed, you might want to add a bit of a bounce. So it goes corner to corner. You could play around with the direction. You could go to the front. You could travel, go backwards. Make full use of whatever space you have. So now let's add in the arms with that. So this is just a general pattern. Starting off, legs are open, hands are closed, are going to be crossed. As I step to the corner, legs are crossed, arms are open. Legs open, arms crossed, and legs crossed, arms open. So swinging the arms back. Adding in the bounce, picking up speed. You could also play around with the tempo of this. I'll give a side view. So just slow. Pivoting on the balls of the feet as I do this. Picking up speed. And really swing the arms back. You could go in circles, change it up. So again, as I mentioned, that's just a general template for Toprock. There's lots of different variations. And freestyle is highly encouraged in breakdancing. You want to take those moves, those templates, build on them, play around with it, make up your own variations, and make the moves your own.